Back! Get out!
Shots fired!
St. Charles, Illinois, on December 1st, 2024, a 911 caller reported seeing 41-year-old Daniel H. Escalera wielding a chainsaw entering River Glen of St. Charles, a senior living facility. St. Charles Police Department officers were dispatched. The first officer to arrive made contact with Escalera inside the facility at the doorway to the cafeteria. He was near multiple residents. The officer displayed his taser and gave multiple verbal commands for Escalera to drop the chainsaw. Escalera entered the cafeteria and started the chainsaw. The officer deployed his taser, striking Escalera in the chest. Escalera was briefly knocked down before getting back up, grabbing the chainsaw, and then running toward the officer. The officer retreated into the lobby and was joined by a second St. Charles police officer. Both officers quickly returned to the cafeteria, and a third officer followed Escalera through a secondary doorway of the cafeteria and eventually back into the lobby, where Escalera held the chainsaw over his head and charged toward the officer. The officer fired 2 shots which both missed Escalera. Escalera physically collided with the officer, striking him with the chainsaw and dropping the chainsaw. The officer fired a 3rd shot as Escalera fled toward a hallway, hitting him in the left forearm. Once reaching the hallway, Escalera stopped to the immediate right of an elderly resident in a wheelchair, turned toward the officers, and held his hands forward in a position which appeared to imitate holding a firearm. The officer fired a 4th shot, striking Escalera in the chest. Escalera immediately collapsed to the floor and officers handcuffed him before immediately providing medical treatment to the gunshot wound.
Hey, what's going on with this guy?
I don't know, he came in here.
Hey, can you hold this door open?
Yes,
More police
please.
are coming.
1393.
Go ahead.
There's no answer at the call to the business.
Hold that door open. Hold that door open.
I'm calling me, I can't.
10-4.
Keep right there, fire.
Unit's incoming. Can you step it up? Hey!
Incoming units.
Hey! Hey, drop the taser. Drop the taser. Or drop it. Drop it. Drop it. On the ground.
Attention B1 units there. Someone B1 for St. Charles.
Get back. Hey, drop. Hey. Hey. Step it up. Hey, drop the chainsaw. One at taser point.
Oh my god.
Hey, drop it.
1393. Can you 10-9?
I got one at taser point. Step it up. We'll be in the front lobby. Drop it.
Subject in the front lobby.
You want me to leave? Yes.
Step it up.
I'm not leaving here without my lady. Where is she?
Step it up.
Where's my?
Drop it.
I just want my wife, man. I just want. Listen, man. I don't want to.
Taser up one. Taser. Hey. Hey, right here. He's right here.
1393.
Come on. Get him out. Come here. He's on the other side. Oh shit.
Shots fired.
Attention all Irish units. We're going to St. Charles.
Drop it! Get him over.
North Avenue in St. Charles. Attention all
Get him over.
Irish units. Special units in St. Charles units. Shotgun dispatching a shots fired at 975 Northwest Avenue. We're going to St. Charles. Responding to acknowledgement ETA.
Here we go.
7 en route.
Come on. Watch out, move your... Hey, get out here. Come on, buddy. Come here. Gotcha. Roll medics. Hey, right here. He's right here.
Come on. Get him out. Come here. He's on the other side. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, you gotta do it. Oh, hands up. What the?
Shots fired!
Shots fired.
Attention all Irish units. We're going to St. Charles, 905 block of Northwood Avenue.
Paramedics soon arrived and took over life-sustaining measures. Escalera was transported to Delner Hospital, where he was pronounced deceased. The Kane County Coroner's Office diagnosed Escalera as having methamphetamine intoxication and multiple gunshot wounds. The cause of death was ascribed to multiple gunshot wounds. Toxicology reports showed the presence of amphetamines, methamphetamines, and olanzapine. Based upon a review of the investigation and all evidence obtained, the St. Charles police officer had the reasonable belief that the deadly force he employed was necessary to prevent death or great bodily harm to himself or other individuals. Salem, Oregon, on February 27, 2025, an attempted robbery at the National Guard Air Station in Salem, Oregon, escalated into a fatal officer-involved shooting.
What's that? Could you go take your hands out of your pocket for me, please? No, you're not leaving right now. Hey, put your hands on your pocket right now. Do you understand? You want to get tased? Find the fucking gun! I really don't. Put the gun down! Put the knife down! Right now! Put the knife down! Shots fired.
Copy, shots fired. 2015-15, is that you?
Yeah, send me medics right now.
Authorities responded to a report of a man, later identified as 22-year-old Matthew Wong, who had delivered a threatening note to the station's guard, demanding compliance within 10 minutes. Senior Trooper Oxenrider, who was nearby training his explosive detection K9, self-dispatched to assist. Upon arrival, he encountered Wong near an airplane monument and attempted to engage him. When Wong refused to remove his hands from his pockets and then revealed a knife, the confrontation quickly intensified. Despite multiple warnings and 2 unsuccessful taser deployments, Wong charged at the trooper, leading Oxenrider to fire 2 shots. Wong succumbed to his injuries at the scene. An autopsy confirmed he was struck twice, with bullets passing through his arm and torso. No other individuals were harmed during the altercation.
Shots fired.
Copy, shots fired. 2015-15, is that you?
Yeah, send me medics right now. 2 shots fired, subject's down, knife in hand.
Wayne, New Jersey, on February 14, 2025, Wayne police encountered 34-year-old Connor Darpino when they responded to a single car crash, where he was identified as the driver. Darpino was first taken into custody following a single car crash, during which police described him as argumentative and combative. Released shortly after being charged, he later became the subject of a 911 call reporting that he had ingested a large quantity of Xanax. When officers arrived at his home, Darpino threatened them from a second-floor balcony while wielding the swords. Despite police commands, he descended the stairs with the weapons, prompting Wayne Police Lieutenant Douglas Itchen to fire 7 shots, striking him 5 times. Officers immediately rendered aid, and Darpino was transported to St. Joseph's University Medical Center, where he was initially listed in critical but stable condition.
Hang on a second, let me go, Captain. Drop him down, drop him down. Drop him.
Shot fired.
Don't move, drop the knives. Drop the knives.
Get back. Get back.
Do not move. Turn over.
We're going live.
10-4.
Maricopa, Arizona, on February 27, 2025, around 2:50 p.m., officers spotted 38-year-old Keith Prock at a Circle K near Bolin Road and John Wayne Parkway. Prock, wanted on several warrants including a 2024 fentanyl case, ran, fired at police, and was shot by pursuing officers and a Pinal County detective.
Stop, man. Stop. Stop, man. Get the fuck back! Get back! Get the fuck back! Get down! Get on the radio. Fuck, I can't get on the radio.
He died at the scene. One officer was injured and is in stable condition. Massapequa, New York, on September 20, 2024, officers with the New York City Police Department, NYPD, Freeport Police Department, and NCPD were involved in a vehicle pursuit through Queens and Nassau counties. The pursuit ended when the car driven by Jeremy Bennett came to a stop on Sunrise Highway in Massapequa. During the ensuing encounter, officers discharged their service weapons, striking Bennett. Bennett was taken to a local hospital, where he was pronounced dead. According to the NYPD, the vehicle Bennett was driving fled from the traffic stop at a high rate of speed. The NYPD terminated its attempt to apprehend the driver.
No! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Julie 34 flight, take it off from me. Get out of the car! Hey! Out of the car! Out of the car!
I'm coming.
Put it in park.
I am. I'm coming.
Put it in park, step out.
I will. Just a second, please.
Stop reaching.
I'm not.
Stop reaching. Get out of the car.
Stop grabbing me. I'm scared.
Okay, get out of the car. Put your hands behind your back.
Please. I need to tell my partner.
Stop. No, put your hands behind your back. Stop.
Stop.
Stop. You're going to get tased. Do you want to get tased?
No, you don't need to do that. I'll
Okay,
listen.
no, you're not listening. Put your hands behind your back and keep them there.
I will listen. Please don't put cuffs on me. Please don't put cuffs
Stop.
on me. Sir, please.
Stop.
The car's on and
I know it is. Julia 35, or female detained.
Flagler County, Florida. On August 15, deputies in FCSO's Community Policing Division contacted the FCSO Fugitive Unit with information on a suspect in a string of larcenies targeting smoke shops. The suspect, 27-year-old Taylor Crowningshield, of Palm Coast, was identified as a fugitive from justice with multiple warrants in Vermont. Crowningshield was wanted in Vermont for robbery, assault, and violation of probation since May 2024. With assistance from the FCSO Real-Time Crime Center, the Bar City Police Department in Vermont, and the Vermont Department of Corrections, the fugitive unit determined that Crowningshield had recently moved to an address on Bressler Lane in Palm Coast.
sorry, I'm scared. Ow.
She just took off on me.
I'm sorry. I'm just scared. I'm sorry.
You get another charge?
Yep.
I'm pregnant and I'm scared.
Okay, well, yeah, you just got more charges. All you want.
I'm just pregnant and scared. I'm sorry. 7 months. Or 6 months, sorry.
6 months pregnant? She fall on anything?
Huh?
Did she fall or anything like that?
No.
I'm sorry. I'm just scared.
Why'd you run? You're 7 months pregnant and you're
I know,
running from the police?
I'm just so scared. I'm sorry.